Welcome back, children. Interchange of affirmative to negative sentence, right? Now we are going to learn interchange of affirmative to negative sentence. Yeah, keep in mind affirmative means positive sentences. You know that, right? Negative means opposite to that affirmative. Fine. We have some rules here what to replace when. That is very important. See, rule 1, only, alone, merely, replaced by none but. Children, if it is for person, okay, only, alone, merely, these three words will be used with person, thing and number. Okay. Now, if it is with person, you have to use none but. If it is with things, you have to use nothing but. If it is with number, not more than or not less than. This is very important rule for you to use constructive sentences. Let me repeat the rule. To change the sentence from affirmative to negative, if there is only, alone, merely in the sentence, we should replace it by none but when it is person. If it is with things, nothing but. If it is for number, then not more than or not less than. Examples. Affirmative. Only our boss can help us. Negative. None but our boss can help us because it is person. Affirmative. He has only a ball. He has nothing but a ball. See, thing. Okay. Ball is a thing. Affirmative. He has only $20 with him. He has not more than $20 with him because it is number. Now, next. Must should be replaced by cannot but or cannot help plus verb plus ing form. Example. We must obey our parents. Children, here we have two answers. Both are with same meaning, but you need to understand this first answer. Second answer is very easy to understand, but same meaning. Okay. We must obey our parents. We cannot but obey our parents. Means we cannot deny to obey our parents. This is the meaning. Means you must obey your parents. See, we cannot help obeying our parents. Means you must obey your parents. Both the meanings are same. Rule 3. Both and replaced by not only but also. Yeah, you are well versed with this rule as it is commonly here and there used. Affirmative. Both Dorothy and Doraemon were excited. Negative. Not only Dorothy but also Doraemon was excited. And when joins two words replaced by not only but also. Understood? Affirmative. He was obedient and gentle. He was not only obedient but also gentle. Yeah. Now next, rule 5. Everyone, everybody, every person. Every plus common noun or all replaced by there is no plus attached word plus but. Example, affirmative. Every mother loves her child. Negative sentence. There is no mother but loves her child. Means all mothers love their child. Now, as soon as replaced by no sooner had than. Okay. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. As soon as the thief saw the police, thief ran away. That is, thief is already used, so he ran away. Now, absolute superlative degree replaced by no other plus attached word plus so plus positive form plus as plus subject. Delhi is the biggest city in India. No other city is as big as India. You have already learned this in positive to comparative to superlative, right? Vice versa. Again it is shown here as the rule applies. Next, rule 8. Sometimes affirmative sentences are changed into negative by using opposite words before the word not is used. Yeah, I shall remember you. I shall not forget you. Very easy to use this, but you should be good in using opposite words, which will help you not to change the meaning with the help of not. Always replaced by never. Affirmative sentence, Raven always attends the class. Raven never misses the class. Okay. Rule 10. To replaced by so that plus cannot or could not in past. He is too weak to walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. You know this rule already. As replaced by not less than. Bulbul was as wise as Tultul. Bulbul was not less wise than Tultul. See? As wise has changed to not less wise than. Universal truths. Rule 12. Universal truths are changed by making them negative interrogative. Affirmative. The sun sets in the west. Negative. Does the sun sets in the west? We are changing into interrogative. Interrogative means question. Negative interrogative means we are questioning in a negative interrogative manner. Understood? Does the sun not set in the west? ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಮುಳುಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ is questioned in the negative interrogative. Fine, hope you all understood this. Now, rule 13. Sometimes replaced by not plus always. Not replaced by not plus always, which is replaced sometimes. Rachel sometimes visits me. Negative. Rachel does not always visits me. Rachel does not always visits me. Okay. Let me correct this sentence. Rachel sometimes visits me. Rachel does not always visit me. Okay. Visits will change to visit. Rule 14. Many replaced by not a few. Affirmative. I have many friends. I do not have a few friends. Means I have many friends. A few replaced by not many. Kazakhstan has a few scholars. Kazakhstan does not have many scholars. Again, much replaced by a little. This house cost him much money. This house did not cost him a little money. Same meaning, negative sentence, but the meaning is equal to positive, affirmative. A little replaced by not much. Richard has a little riches. Richard does not have much riches. Same. Now, in next slide, as the heading itself is speaking, interchange of affirmative to interrogative or vice versa sentences. Fine. Thank you.